Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping skin, cleanse, and use a light moisturizer so the corrector sits on skin, not in dry patches. Once done, prime the area to smooth texture and improve wear time. You pick Maybelline's shade based on color theory. Green cancels red, peach counters blue under eyes, lilac brightens yellow tones. Apply a very small amount, about half to 1 p, directly to your concern with a fingertip or small brush to control product and avoid overcorrection. Once the corrector is placed, you need to blend softly. Use a fingertip for warmth or a dense brush to press product into skin, avoiding streaks. Make sure to layer thinly. Apply your concealer that matches skin tone directly on top to neutralize the hue without covering texture. Then use a damp sponge to gently tap the edges for an invisible finish, making sure transitions are seamless. If you still see tint, add micro layers rather than one heavy coat to maintain natural dimension. You finish by setting the area. Lightly press a translucent powder with a small puff to lock coverage without drying or creating flashback. Then apply foundation sparingly around the corrected spot to unify skin tone, blending outward so edges are invisible. Keep blotting papers or a sponge for midday touch-ups. If the result looks gray or ashy, add a touch of warm-toned concealer. If it creases, reduce product, rehydrate the area, and reapply a thinner layer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.